Hey, are you a real estate agent looking to close more deals and make more sales? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how affiliate marketing for beginners helps real estate agents to make more sales and close more deals through a process called funnel scaling. So if you don't know what funnel scaling is, it's basically a process to where you're bringing your business online. You get new leads and new people who have an interest in properties, and they get onto your email list, and you're building an email list online, and you're able to follow up with them through email marketing. And they have to go through a funnel process to be able to get onto your email list. So this means the difference between you and another real estate agent getting more leads and making more sales is people are finding you and they're telling you, hey, I want to get a property. I'm interested in property, and they get on your email list, right? So YouTube and Facebook are a great way to be able to run your business online and be able to make money that way, right? So it's a great way for you to get new people who actually want properties. Now, what you're looking at right now is you're looking at a turnkey residual income system where you get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. Now, what this system allows you to do is whenever people put their name and email into this page, they're going to put their name and email into it from a video like you're seeing right now. You're going to be creating the video, and they click on the link in the description of the video, and from me, it's the second link. So if you go to the second link, basically you're going to come to this page. If you put your name and email in, it validates the email. So this way you're building a clean email list. You have real emails on your email list. People can't put in fake emails. So if they try to put in a fake email, it won't make it to your email list. So you keep your email list very clean, right? And then they go to the next page, and the next page tells you about the system that will allow you to build your business online and teach you the marketing strategies that you need to be able to grow it, right? So when you opt into this page by clicking on the second link below this video, you're going to get a guide that shows you how to use systems, and you could scale with funnels, right? So that's what's going to show you how to do, and you could get that guide when you put your information in. So basically, people would come to a page like this for you, and this system is already ready for you to go. So basically, you can start creating content and get people to this funnel, and it will give them information about building a business online and being able to grow their business. And for somebody like you, you can use a capture page to where it would be geared towards people who are looking for real estate, right? People who want more information. So you could brand yourself, and you could basically use the funnel builder tool that we have right here. So basically, they would come to a page like this. This is one of my pages. So this is the first link that you'll find below this video. And basically, you could customize this. This is easy to customize. You could change the text. You could change the boxes. It's all, drag and drop. Your contact manager is in this part. So if you click on contacts, it has your contacts right there. And then here's your funnel pages right here. So you click on this funnel icon. You come down here to, add new step. You would come down here like that. You would add a page. And then you could come across all these pages that my web guy has created, and you could use funnels for your business, right? So now you could create YouTube videos and content, and you could use social media to be able to grow your real estate business, right? So that's the cool thing about having a tool like this is these pages are already custom done for you. So if you go to a page, and it might have a video of you on it, right? And then down here, it might give information about whatever you do, right? Or whatever you offer, right? So, this is basically for a course. So if you were giving away a course on real estate, you can also create a course. You can just do something like that, and you could show people how to become real estate agents or how to sell, or you could give them tips on that, right? So these are just some of the things you could do if you're in a real estate niche. You can basically be able to capture information and capture people's contact information to be able to follow up with them, right? So that's a really cool thing about this portion right here. And you get this when you actually sign up for the tool. So the funnel builder tool is $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month in residual income. So if you've been looking to grow a residual income. Anybody who uses the funnel builder tool, you're going to get $20 per month in residual income, right? So it's residual, so you keep on earning, right? And then, $20 per month is cool. It's whatever, but then you have the goal setting app. It helps you to stay on track. You could put your goals in there, everything like that. That's $10 per month. You get $8 per month in residual income. So basically, you get those two things. So it's $35 for this right here. And then you get 2 weeks free of daily hands-on coaching where we go over the shoulder and we show you strategies like how to write emails that serve and sell. We show you how to connect with people on social media, how to close more deals, how to be able to build your audience, right? We show you things like that. And we also show you how to actually create video content, right? So, creating video content is going to help you to bring you more customers, going to help you to close more deals. And, having your videos rank in the top of YouTube is very important. So that SEO portion, you get that daily hands-on by Zoom every single day. So if you have any questions on how to do these, strategies, you would have access to that. And that's a really cool thing about this. You get the funnel builder tool, the goal setting app, so you can stay on track that we have. And then you also are able to get 2 weeks free of the daily coaching. So if you have any questions on anything marketing related, you can learn hands-on, and that's only $35, and you get 2 weeks free of the coaching. So, that's basically what I would suggest for you. If you've been looking to scale your business with funnels, this is definitely the way to go. This funnel builder tool is the way that I build everything off of. And, if you look right here, you can see that I manage people's funnels. And I have my people that I work with, so I could go into their funnel. I could easily be able to help them with whatever they need when it comes to business or marketing or anything like that. And the cool thing about this is you could work with anybody in any kind of opportunity or any kind of niche. And there's a lot of real estate agents and people just like you who are looking for residual income, right? Because when you do a real estate deal, it's a one-time commission, but those skills that you would learn in here, they're transferable skills, which means you could transfer them into real estate and be able to close more deals that way as well. So the things that you'll learn in here, they will help you to be able to grow your business offline, and you will also be able to grow it online and be able to have your real estate website here. You could create a website, you could create a membership site to train people on real estate. You could create whatever you need to be able to do your marketing and to be able to close the deals that you want to close, right? So this way you're making more money and your contacts are right there. So you'll be able to follow up with them. They have name and email. I can't show that because what's going to happen is YouTube's going to, give me a strike or whatever. I have to keep it, confidential because it is people's contact information because they are leads, right? But this is what you'll actually have access to when you sign up for this for $35 and you get the 2 weeks free, right? So if it's something that you want to find out more information about, come to this page right here and it's going to show you how to create systems and how to actually set that up for yourself so you could start building your business online and learn the skills that you need to learn to be able to close more deals. All right, so make sure you check out the second link in the description. Also, make sure you get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video that gives tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And I appreciate you for watching. Thank you and bye for now.